Hey everyone, wanted to show off the custom brooch pieces we've been designing for a customer in California. There are a handful of them so they will be shown off individually, but they turned out looking great. The 3D print of the Dragonfly brooch today measures about 112mm high by 70mm wide and is about 3mm to 4mm thick. The wings are arched to give the design character but had to be kept within certain dimensions. As a brooch, once the piece is cast, a clasp and pin will be attached along the back so the Dragonfly can be worn on a shirt or jacket. For this customer, we only did the modeling and prints, but once the piece is cast in 10-karat yellow gold and the stones are set, it's going to be one hell of a standout design. In this brooch, over 100 round diamonds will be set ranging from 3mm down to 2mm, and one pear-shaped center stone measuring 14mm by 8mm. The cutouts are negative space in the wings we fill with a colored enamel that will truly bring the whole brooch together. If you're looking to have a piece custom designed, feel free to contact us over at mooresjewelers.com. We'd be more than happy to look over everything and provide a free estimate. For anything else, feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.